What's good? It's your boy Dre, also known as Mr. Poe Folk Everything, and today I'm back with another one. Today we're going to be working on the Ford Ranger. Today we're going to be trying to remove the dent from the driver fender. As you can see, that's a pretty big dent. Also, you can see the circles on the fender from where I've already tried to remove the fender with the suction cup dent puller. This right here. I've used it before and had success. Unfortunately, this time I've not been able to pull that out. I've tried to use boiling water, pull it out. It didn't work. I've also tried to use a torch on this fender. Get about 6 to 8 inches away from it, heat it up as much as you can, and try to pull it out using the suction cup. That didn't work either. So today, we are going to be removing the whole fender and try to push the dent out from the other side. Okay, the fender is off. This is where we're at. Okay, so in order to get to this here, you're gonna have to remove the front headlight. On the front headlight, you have these little three basically push lock tabs. As you can see on mine, that one and that one is broke, so they was easy to get out. So all I had to do was just get that one out. Light comes out. So on your marker light, the only thing holding that on is two Phillips screws. You be able to take that off, which then gives you access to the front two 8mm bolts. After you take those off, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 8mm bolts at the top. You take those out. Okay, so then you're gonna open your door, and right in here, there's gonna be another 8mm bolt. You're gonna take that out. So then over here, right here, you have another 8mm bolt. It's a little tight, but you can get it out. So you're gonna take that out. From there, you have one more bolt, and it'll be under the bottom. Well, if you still have your mud flaps on your vehicle, like I did, you're gonna have 2 bolts right there. I think they are 5 30-seconds. You're gonna take those off, and then as well as 2 of them on the bottom. Then you're gonna have a push pin that you got to take out. Once you remove that, you're gonna have this little plastic piece that covers up yet another bolt. So then you're gonna take that 8mm bolt out. And then you're gonna have 2 push pins, as you can see right there. There's one right here and one on the other side. That's what holds that bottom of the inner fender out. From there, you're gonna take out 1, 2, 3 inner fenders. Then your fender should come off. So, this is what we have here. We got our fender off. And as you can see, the dent is still in there, so now I'm going to heat it up and try to pull that out. So after heating it up, it still didn't want to pop out. But with a little persuasion from Mr. Rubber Mallet here, I was able to beat it back through. Now, if you look, it's wavy. It's real wavy. It's not the best, but it's better than that big dent that was in it. So I may put it back on, or I may get a different fender. But we no longer have that big ugly dent. We just got a bunch of little ugly dents. But that's gonna be. So I went to go and put the fender back on, but as you can see, it looks a lot worse now than it did when it just had that one big ugly dent in it. So we went to the yard and we got ourselves another fender. And just like that, no more dent.